The angle of elevation of top of the building from the foot of a tower is 30 degree, and the angle of elevation of top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 60-meter high, find the height of the tower of the building. So what we have given here is the angle of elevation of a top of building from the foot. So consider this as a building. Now the angle of elevation from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. This angle is given as 30. Now the angle of elevation of the top of the front foot of the building is 60 degree. And if the height of the tower is 60 meter, this is the height. It is equal to 60 meter. So we need to find the height of the building. So let's look at it. So let's consider AB as the building and CD as the tower. So let's consider AB as the building and CD as the tower. Suppose the height of the building be H. Let's say we don't know the height of the building yet. So let's consider the building height H. So we have given two angles. One angle is 30 degree, one angle is 60 degree, and we know the height of the tower is 60 meters. So in triangle BCD, we know this A, C, B, and another angle from this we divide. We know this cot theta. What is cot theta? Cot theta becomes BC upon CD. We know that cot theta is base upon height. It is a trigonometric function, so we know that it is base upon height. From that we can say that BC upon CD equal to CD upon cot 60 degree, the angle of this, the first angle of the tower to building. So now BC equals to 60 meter into 1 by under root 3. The value we get from cot 30 degree. This is a trigonometric function. We can get this simple value as from trigonometric table. We will find the value of BC. That becomes like this. So in right angle ABC, tan theta, that is P upon H. So that is equal to 1 by root 3. We also get this value from trigonometric table. From that we can say that height is 20 meter. Hence we can say that the height of this building is 20 meters, and we have already given the height of this tower.